want to know if there is another type. Do you have another
This
type?
is the normal one. That those ones is so designed. You will not like it. You there no say.
Hey guys, how you doing? Hope you're fine. I just returned back from the market. Oh my god, and I feel like showing you guys what I got. Oh more, I am so super excited, and I feel like it's a good thing to let you guys know that I've added something to my kitchen. Hey, what is that? Oh more, I just got an oven. An oven. I just got, but not that big, you understand. It just a mini oven, because you know my kitchen is not that big. Anybody that knows my kitchen will know that it is not that big. Okay, so and I got other things that I will also show you guys. More, I chop my money today, no be small. Let me show you guys now. Let me don't waste time. Guys, ta-da! Oh, look at the oven that I got. And you know, the amazing part of this appliance is that you can actually use it to apart from baking, you can use it to toast, you can use it to warm your food. You understand? It can work as a microwave, you understand? So this is it. Don't worry, I'll open the inside. I'll open it so that you guys will see how it's looking inside. Oh more, I am so super excited. You know, you can't use a day to buy things all that you need in your kitchen. You can't do that in just a day. It's a gradual process. Okay, whoever that tells you that I don't know, if you have the money you can, but it is not under must that. So I'm gonna show you guys other things that I got this fine beautiful jug. You know, whenever you're cooking and you feel like you want to add up water into the pot, this is the best thing to use. I got it for myself, and I got this. I want to use this as my oil dispenser. I looked for the other type, I couldn't see. Yes, so some kids use this to drink water as their feeding bottle, but me, I'm gonna use it as my oil dispenser. So I got this beautiful cream for myself. They call it half cast. I got it for myself. The man assured me that this cream will really work well on my skin, so I want to try it out. And I got this amazing face cleanser. She calls it face cleanser. It removes acne and you know, pimples and whatever. He said I should use it morning and night. That is 2 times a day. So let me keep this aside, Joe. I got Maggie. This one, Maggie, also called seasoning cube. You can also call it seasoning cube. This is the chicken flavor, and this one is mainly for cooking soup. You understand? Then I got this milk mixie. I want to do ice cream. I want to make ice cream, so I got this for my ice cream. So this is this beautiful, nice mixed spices that I want to try out. They assured me that this one, it has a nice whatever flavor and all that. I got Indomie, I got macaroni, I got rosemary. This is rosemary, the dried rosemary. I got this big tissue. I got banana. I got these treats. This is sugar, half mudu. Yes, this is half mudu. I got Viva soap and also a detergent. No, this is not where it ended. This is detergent. I got this beautiful hand kitchen, should I call it towel? Yes, hand towel. I got it today. And also This is groundnut. I'm going to pour it inside this container. This is bay leaf. Yes, bay leaf is inside here. This is fish. I bought fish. I bought tomatoes, fresh tomatoes. I have pepper, so I didn't bother to buy another one. Inside here is okra and the pumpkin leaf, ugu. Yes, this one is green vegetable. I bought plantain. This is plantain. More plantain is quite expensive in the market. Guess how much I bought this one? This one is 2k, 2,000 naira. See, this is 2,000 naira plantain. Then this is carrot. The carrot I bought, this one is how much again? Okay, 400. Then I bought this one I'm looking at it. This one is it 500? Yes, 500 naira onions. 9 be this. It shock you. This one, no more cabbage. This little thing that you're looking at now. This cabbage. This is it 300? Yes, it's 300 naira. Then I got this wallpaper. I want to beautify my kitchen a little. I will also show you guys when I'm done with it. Right here is rice and beans. 1 noodle of rice, 1 noodle of beans. Here is potatoes. I bought these potatoes today. Yes. What other thing did I buy? Okay, what's the time now? I left home by 8 o'clock, or either 8 o'clock sharp or after 8, and I'm coming back now. The time is 1:53. That is to 2. It is to show you guys how long I stayed in the market. So I don't be sporting, you will have to price and price and price and price. You don't need to go and that's where your money there, if you know what I mean. So you have to price down. Let me show you guys the oven. Yes, let me unbox it. So this is my new oven. So he said this plate inside are 2. They said one is for baking and one is for what? Let me turn this. So look at this. That's 2 plates inside. So if you're my kind of person that has a small kitchen, you should go for this kind of thing. Look at it. If you are interested in the price, you should ask me in the comment section. I am tired. I want to cook. I'll actually go ahead and cook. I'll cook jollof rice, green vegetable jollof rice. I'll use the green that I bought. I'll use this green. So I'll use this green to cook green vegetables. This one.